How to check your monetization status on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to check your monetization status on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines, menu icon, at the top right corner of your profile page. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. Tap on Monetization Status. Here, you will see if you are eligible for monetization and any relevant information regarding your eligibility. By following these steps, you can easily check your eligibility for monetization on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.